Hello, this is problem 8 of a 50-part series of problems from Arzoo 1. So the problem is determine the stereochemistry of the highlighted carbon in Zoloft. And if you think about what Zoloft is a drug molecule which is actually used for the treatment of depression, OCD, PTSD, yada, yada, yada. Okay, so if you think about how we determine the stereochemistry, in other words, we have to determine if the carbon center actually is an R or an S carbon center. And how we determine that is by first prioritizing the groups attached to the chiral center using the CIP priority rules, right? The rules are prioritize the groups based on the higher molecular mass. So we know that at this carbon center, nitrogen would be number 1 priority. This carbon center, which is connected to a double bonded carbon and also a single bonded carbon, would be considered a second highest molecular mass. The carbon connected to the right side would be a third highest molecular mass, and then the number 4 would be the hydrogen behind the plane, and that would get the lowest priority. And if we actually connect the atoms going from 1 to 2 to 3, we do see that we are going in the anti-clockwise direction, and therefore this carbon atom over here, which is the highlighted carbon atom, is actually S. Stereochemistry.